Alright, this is my 2003 Avalanche 2500 8.1 liter big block 496 inch four-wheel drive. It is pretty clean. There's no rust, there's no major issues. I have all of the pieces for the bed, all of the handles and the clips for the window and the rear, how you can take the back wall out of this thing, all function. All the twist knobs and everything are perfect. They're not cracked or broken, which is very common. As aforementioned, the wheels and tires are 6 years old, but you know, they're not terrible. Just one of them is starting to split. You got a little sun fade on the headlights and stuff like that. I mean, you know, it's Arizona, but no rust. As we approach the interior here, it's all there. It's in pretty good shape. Not overly torn up, anything majorly wrong. This unit does have the moonroof. No major cracks in the dash or anything like that. This is all in order as aforementioned. The radio is currently out of it. I'm going to work on that. 129,000 miles. It's currently running. It's got good oil pressure. It's making 14 plus volts. It's running at 180 degrees. Trans temp is nice on the HD models, and you have all the push button four-wheel drive stuff on your left. This is a 6-passenger unit. It does have the seat here, which is cool. Back seat, same deal. Doesn't even look like anybody spent too much time back here. And of course, that's your clip to pull the glass. I'll give you a quick look under the hood. You know, you got a couple spots. I can see this here now that I'm looking, where the paint's starting to peel. It just is what it is. Excuse the camera work there, I apologize. All bone stock, all original, very clean. It's got a newer battery. If there's anything else you'd like to see or ask about, please just give me a shout. You got my phone number. You can call me anytime. You guys have a great day.